This is a question from operating system. A total of 9 units of resource type are available, and given the save state shown below, which of the following sequence will be safe? So this is based on the Banger's algorithm. So in order to find which is the safe sequence, we need to construct the need matrix. This need matrix is essentially need is equal to need of I of that particular process is equal to max of I minus used of I. Now this is equal to 5. This is also 5. This is 3 and this is also 3. This is the need matrix. Now let's calculate the currently available resources. So total in used we have 2 plus 2 plus 2. Total we have 6 in used and total is 9. So available resources is equal to total minus used, which is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So as of now we have 3 resources. Now let's see each options one by one to see how it can be allocated. Suppose it is allocated to P4. Now what happens in P4 is that once P4 is allocated, it requires 3 more resources. Now we can assume that P4 get its required resources, then P4 execute. So we have given 3 resources to P4 along with 1 resources that is already in use. So once P4 execution is done, we have in available 4. Once P4 is done. Now next, see the next option. We are giving P1. If you're trying to give resources to P1, it requires 5, but we have 4. So we cannot proceed with this format. Similarly, let's see option B. Initially P4 is executed. So following the same as A, P4 after executing we have 4 resources. Then if we try to allocate the resource to P2, again P2 also requires 5. So this also cannot be the safe sequence. Similarly, option C also cannot be the safe sequence. So ideally option D would be the correct answer, but let's see. Now initially we have available equal to 3. Now P3 is given the resources. So P3 requires 3. We have available 3. So we are giving P3 the 3 resources. Upon P3's execution, the available will become 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Now we are giving for P1. P1 needs 5 resources and we have available 5. So this is possible. So after execution of P1, we will have 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7 resources available. We are giving it to P2. P2 has a requirement of 5 resources, so this is also satisfied. So after execution, after giving 5 resources, we'll have 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus, already we have 2 extra resources, 6 plus 2, 8 is available. So this is possible. Then P4. P4 needs only 3 more resources. So since we have 8, we can allocate 3 resources to P4 also. So following this sequence, that is P3, P1, P2, P4, it is a safe sequence. So option D is the correct answer here.